Google's upcoming Pixel 10 series might not arrive as early as some fans hoped. Earlier, there were rumors about a June or July release. But now, it looks like we'll have to wait a little longer. According to new information, Google is planning to unveil the Pixel 10 series on August 20th, with pre-orders starting on the same day. The official release is expected to follow a week later on August 28th. These dates are not just guesses, they come from multiple reliable sources. But remember, nothing is final until Google confirms it. And since the launch is still a few months away, things could change again. Now, let's talk about the phones themselves. The Pixel 10 series will include 4 models: Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro, XL, Pixel 10 Pro Fold. This is a strong lineup of high-end Android phones, and it seems like Google wants to go head-to-head with Apple and Samsung in the premium smartphone market. Interestingly, Google originally planned to launch these phones around the same time as last year's Pixel 9 series. That launch took place on August 13, 2024. But for some unknown reason, Google has now decided to shift things forward by a week, at least for now. One of the big hopes for this year is that all 4 models will be available at the same time. Last year, the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro XL went on sale just 9 days after the launch. But the Pixel 9 Pro and the Pixel 9 Pro Fold didn't become available until September, which left many fans frustrated. Google might be trying to avoid that problem this year, but with the release date still months away, there's always a chance of last-minute delays, especially while testing for software bugs or hardware issues is still ongoing. Now let's talk about something many of you are wondering: the price. According to rumors, the expected starting prices are as follows: Pixel 10, $799, Pixel 10 Pro, $999, Pixel 10 Pro XL, $1,999, Pixel 10 Pro Fold, $1,600. If these prices are true, then the Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro will be priced the same as their predecessors. However, the Pixel 10 Pro XL is rumored to be $100 more expensive than last year's Pixel 9 Pro XL. The most surprising pricing rumor is about the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. At $1,600, it would actually be cheaper than last year's Pixel 9 Pro Fold. That's a bold move by Google, especially since this type of foldable device usually costs a lot more. For comparison, Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 6 and possibly even the upcoming Z Fold 7 are expected to be more expensive than Google's foldable. This pricing strategy could help Google attract more users to its foldable phones. Offering a premium foldable at a lower price than Samsung might just give Google the edge in this growing market. Now, when it comes to design, don't expect big changes. Leaked renders suggest that the Pixel 10 models will look very similar to the Pixel 9 series. And based on what we know so far, there won't be a huge leap in features either. So, if there aren't many major upgrades, the price increase for the Pixel 10 Pro XL might be hard to justify, unless Google has some hidden surprises to reveal at the launch. Speaking of surprises, we can't forget what happened with the Pixel 9 earlier this year. Google announced it in March without confirming the release date. Even though pre-orders started on launch day, the release took a while to roll out. So last-minute changes can still happen with the Pixel 10 lineup as well. So if you've been waiting for Google's next-gen smartphones, mark August 20 and August 28 on your calendar. But keep in mind that nothing is official yet. We'll continue to follow all the leaks, news, and official updates as they come in. If you want to stay up to date on the Pixel 10 series and other Android news, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.